Want to run YouTube ads and grow your brand? First, you need to link your Google ad account to your YouTube channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step you need in 2025. Fast, easy and updated. So let's get started. So we are on my screen and today I will show you how to link YouTube with the Google Ads account. So you can link YouTube channel with Google ad account, so you can track KPIs more accurately, you can track the subscriptions, you can track all the data in Google Ads accurately. So first of all, log in your Google Ads account, the right ID, and once you are logged in, then on the left hand side click on tools. Under the tools section you can find the option called data manager. So click on data manager. Once you are in the data manager, you can find all the connected products. So you can find which account is linked to your Google ad account. So you can link Google tag, you can see here, you can link Google Analytics, you can link YouTube, and there are other, you can link Merchant Center. Similarly, you can link other products similarly. So to link YouTube, click on the YouTube, manage and link. There, if you want to connect a new channel, then click on new link, then link channel, select the channel. Make sure your channel is linked with the ID you have. You should have the access to that channel. So I have access. Click on the next button. There you can give the access from YouTube to Google. It can count all the data. Then click next, and then at the end click on link. So once you click on link, it will say link completed. So it is linked. So this channel is linked with Google ad account. So you can see the link date. So now you can track KPI matrices more accurately in your video campaigns. You can track subscriptions more accurately. You can track all the details and data here. And that's it. Your Google Ads is now linked to your YouTube channel, ready to launch powerful ad campaigns. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more digital marketing tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.